Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video let's learn about how to make Twitter header using Twitter header maker. So let's get started. For that we need to get into any browser and simply search for Twitter header maker. And we get to see various options and the links over here. You can choose any of this as per your choice. Let's go for brand crown for now. After that we can see here we need to simply enter the header type we want and click on start now. After that you can add the details and you can add the name as well. Once you are done, if you want to add the logo, click on add logo or upload logo over here and click on search. After this, if we scroll down, we'll be able to see various header options over here. You can choose any of this and we need to simply click on this edit icon and we'll be able to see various editing options. You can make the required edits and click on download to download it. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.